Are you nervous about Rio?
No. Now, every Olympics, this is the 9th that I will have done, and there's always something. L.A., traffic, smog, everything is terrorism. Don't forget, in London, one of the stories leading up to the London Olympics was they're going to put rocket launchers on top of apartment buildings, and they're going to sweep the Thames, for bombs, whatever. I think back to Sochi. So remember in Sochi, you had this whole run-up where, oh, my God, it's going to be terrible, terrorism, Russia, blah, blah, blah. So the only wife who came to Sochi was Holly Collinsworth, because Holly will do anything.
She's not afraid.
She's not afraid of anything. But Linda Michaels, Jill Costas, your wife, and everybody else got scared away from coming to Sochi. So the only thing that happened in Sochi was Bob got pink eye, and you got the flu.
Yeah,
that was the most insidious things that happened. So Richard Engel, or the great NBC News foreign correspondent who's all over the world. You never know where he's in Aleppo one day, he's in wherever he is, wherever the hot spots are. He comes into my dressing area about 4 or 5 days before the Olympics are over, and he says, "Why don't you think the world came to these Olympic Games?" I said, "Because you scared the hell out of them." And Richard, every night you're watching Richard for 2 months. They're going to come down through the valley. They're coming out of the Caspian Sea. Here, I'm going, what? So look, you were in Sochi,
but we weren't allowed to go. Remember, we weren't allowed to leave.
It was right. It wasn't
the compound.
It
area.
wasn't it wasn't the greatest.
They said
Olympics.
You can't go downtown.
Somebody called those Olympics soulless, SOULLESS. Mm-hmm. And I think that it was more, it had less soul than any Olympics I've been to. And part of it was because the world did not come to Sochi. Now in Rio, we know what's going on. You got the Zika virus, you got the president getting impeached, you got, garbage. But somehow, some way, we're going to get there and it'll happen. And it almost always, doesn't matter where it's been, every Olympics, you get it going and the whole world is paying attention and excited. So
were you ever
this
nervous?
would be a great Olympics.
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.